I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster here. I was going to try to do this in a short video, but I might break it up later to make it as short. But this one probably take a little bit more. Sometimes at night, or maybe you don't want to buy an air compressor for your airbrush because they're expensive, and you have, say, a bicycle pump or a pump for your vehicle to pump the tires. So back in the old days when we used to use the air compressors with CO2 and compressed bottles and run them like that. So I was thinking that, hey, maybe I'll do a video on how you can do one or make a kind of a holding tank without having a heavy holding tank. This might be an overkill what I'm going to be doing, but I decided to go online and buy what I needed. So I bought some hoses. This hose came with my airbrush. I don't know if you can see that there. Came with my airbrush. So we'll put that aside. I bought also, oh, here we go. This is a piece I've cut with the pliers, of course, off of, I bought bicycle pump, like a new, I guess if you wreck your bicycle pump hose, so you can buy a pack of 4 for $7. So I cut that. Then I had this piece of brass. I mean, it's curved, but I took this machine here, twirled it around, of course, and tube cutter, cut it. So I did that. And I bought a air compressor for my truck because my aluminum wheels tend to go down. Now, you don't have to use something like this, but you can. And I actually got that during the Black Friday. I think I got like 40% off. I want to put this in a spot where it's not going to get all dirty because I got my scraps on the floor. Anyway, so it comes like this. And before we get too far ahead, let's put this over here. And I took this. Now this was off one of my old tractors. It had a hole in it, so I had it patched. But I found out that one of my the parts in the tractor, like the steel belt or whatever in the wheel, was projecting through and poking the tube all the time. So I just bought a new tire. So I got this. And this is the tube. I'm going to take this off. I put it on because I just made it actually. Now, this tube here, I joined it. You can see it there. I put the brass tube inside and pushed them both together. Now, I should put some ties on it, clamp them together, but we're not using an incredible amount of compressed air. Now, this side, since it's from your airbrush, it's the same exact size tubing, same material too, as the one I ordered for the pump, the hand pump. We're doing bicycle tires. Now you can use bicycle tire for this too, but you're not going to have the same amount of volume. So we have all that. So now we want to blow this up. So now we do this before everybody goes to bed and stuff like that. If you want to use your airbrush for a few small jobs while everybody's in bed sleeping. So hopefully, I haven't tried this on a tire yet. So hopefully this does a good job. Now, we have to turn this baby on, I believe. There we go. You should still be able to hear me. Not taking a long time. There you go. So we take that off. Now if we shut this baby down or turn itself off, we'll figure that out. Anyway, we have an inner tube that's full. Okay, and it's got some. Now this unit here, we're going to screw on to here, which I think you can see that in both videos. Now it's got, before we go do this, it's got a unit inside of it that pushes on the valve stem inside. So that releases the air. So as soon as I release the air, it'll be on its way. Whoop, that means it's got air in it. So I turned it off because I wasn't hearing any air. And it's because of my headphones. So anyway, I can hear it now. I don't think you can hear it. But now you can also put this on the seat and sit on it and give yourself more pressure. So anyway, if I take these earphones off for a second, I don't know. Can you hear that? And there you go. So now it smells a little bit like inner tube, but if you actually get a a trailer tire, and you blow it up, it's smaller. It may not hold as much volume to a point, but it'll go higher pressure. So the smaller the tire, the more pressure. So you could probably get away better with a front tire of a tractor inner tube. You could spend $4 up to $10 for it, and there you go. You got yourself a great little air compressor. When people go to bed, I couldn't even hear it. That's I had to put my earphones. So anyway, there you go. There's an air compressor, air tank made out of an inner tube. Maybe that'll help you. Maybe it won't. But hey, you can even go to the gas station, fill it up for the night.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.